Yes,
LanguageCert, Achiever B1, Entry Level 3, International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. Are you Mehreen, right?
yes.
Can you spell your family name for me, please?
ASIF
Where are you from?
from Pakistan.
Thank you. Now, part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about the area where you live. What
I live in,
problems does your area have?
okay. Usually I live in Pakistan and I'm from Lahore, and the area is my area is very rude, and roads are not situated. Roads are not built nicely, and there are many more other problems, civil system problems, and other schools problems, school system problems. They are not good school in this area, and there are less facilities on other areas. If I talk to about other areas in my city, other areas more good than my area, and my area is need to some facilities. That's why my area is not like a high society area. It is a more populated area.
Let's talk about personal comfort. What has been the most uncomfortable place you've been in?
Okay, usually I felt very uncomfort in my sister house, because there is no space, and everybody live together, and there is no space to talk each other with my sister. So that's, I think so, my sister house is not fit for me for living.
Let's talk about qualifications and examinations. How successful in life can a person be if they don't have any qualifications?
Yeah, qualification is a matter, very matter in everyone's life, because qualification is the best of things. You know about all of things because of qualification. And in this modern time, qualification is the very uh, easy, very good, and and um, and a qualification, and I think so everyone need qualification, and importance of qualification is very good. If I talked about past persons, people, they do not take proper qualification, and they lost their businesses. So that qualification is the now present time, qualification is the most powerful equipment for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the end of part 1. Now, part 2. We're going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation, we are classmates. You are trying to finish some important work. I start. Why do you have to finish that now?
Because I have no time. I have no time to continue more. That's why I finish my this work at this same time, because I have lots of work in my home, and so I go to home and do many of things. So that's I finish my work at that time.
All right. Do you have any deadline for this?
Yeah, I think so. I have a deadline of 2 hours. If I not complete this work in 2 hours, I lost my some money and some other mm, things. Uh, that's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Second situation, we are friends. You've invited me to the theater tomorrow, but I haven't answered. You start.
Can you again tell me?
Yes, we are friends. You've invited me to the theater tomorrow, but I haven't answered. You start.
Okay. Hi.
Hey,
Do you have time for me to go theater?
mm, well, when are we supposed to go?
Okay, that's great. I think so. We are going to tomorrow, and I think so around 8 o'clock. it is a good time. I finish my work and I will be there. And please tell me, can I pick you on your home?
Yeah, that would be fantastic. Just pick me
Yeah,
7:30 in the evening.
yeah, great. Okay, I finish my work on time and I will pick you on your time.
Thank you. This is the end of part 2. Now, part 3. I'm going to share something on the screen with you. Now, part 3. The town's local authorities are planning to construct a leisure center and have asked for our views on what should be included in it. Let's talk about what kind of leisure center we want and make some recommendations. Here are some ideas. Let's plan and decide together what should be included to the new leisure center. I start. I believe that there must be a swimming pool. I think it will attract so many people living in the neighborhood. What do you say?
Yeah, you are right. Swimming pool is a very important for every layer society center. So I agree with you. Swimming pool is the best.
Hmm. And what do you think about a badminton court?
Yeah, actually, most of people's like cricket, but I think so. Some of other people's like badminton court, and I suggest you are thinking about good, so that the badminton court is most of important in the layer center.
Hmm. Right. Do you think any other facility would be suitable besides swimming pool or badminton court? What are the other options?
I think so. Is a sport hall is good.
Why is
Beside
that?
of the because when somebody go to the swimming pool for enjoying, but some people not like to swimming, and but most of people like sports. So that's why I am thinking sport hall is a good for everyone, and they like that. And if someone is not like for bed sport house, some like that, kids are not like to swimming, and they like sports, so sport hall is a best there.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the end of part 3. Now, part 4. You have to talk on your own for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And your topic is your memories of school. You have 30 seconds to write down some notes to help you. Please take your time to think.
Sure.
Yes, now you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to talk about your memories of school. Your time begins now.
Yeah, when I was in age of 6, I have a best friend. Name is Saba. She is my class fellow, and she's my class fellow and my best friend. When we are free time in break time, we are gossips and make some new things for our teachers always like us. And we have very memories in my mind, when how I start my first class, and how I start my first learning uh, in alphabets, and how can to make best friends in that school. And there are lots of memories, and enjoyed in my free time, in my school time. I if I thought, I think when I was sorry, I can't.
You're doing a good job. 30 more seconds. Hurry up. Complete.
Okay, I enjoy many of times with my friends. and we finish our schools and go to home together. And some of my teachers appreciate us for our friendship, and our friendship go to uh, around 10 years, and then I pass my 10th. Then my friend leave the country, and
Thank you.
she
Thank
is
you so
going to.
much. Thank you so much. Now, I will ask you some follow-up questions about your memories of school.
Okay.
Could you please tell me about a teacher who was once important to you?
Yeah, my math teacher, he is very kind and noble, and his teaching way is very good. I understand all of his words. I remembered. They are he is very simple and sweet.
How have schools changed since your parents' time?
I changed 2 times in my parents' time.
No, pretty
First one.
how this means that how schools are different from the time of your parents. Now schools
Okay,
are different,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Yeah. Now school is very modern, and available all facilities. And in my parents' time, there is no facilities, no books. No, yeah, books is available, but no teachers, good teachers there, and there are no more facilities. There are no more facilities. If I talk about myself, because when mm, I go to I go to a private school, and my parents go to a government school. Government school always teach less, fees is less, but I think so. Government school is knowledge less, except of private schools.
Okay, what do you remember about your school building?
Yeah, I remember my school building. It is a huge building, and it has 4 floors, one for boys, one for girls, and one for um, uh, mm, kids for kids. Uh, Kids, and building is very nice, and my uh, headmasters always decorate in annual function, and they also have a page on uh, f- on FB.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the end of the test. And your result is you have passed.
Thank you.
Yeah,
And how
even
much?
I think it is 35. That's close to passing. It's not a fail.
Okay.
It's 35.